Some facts about space are so strange they sound completely made up. Here are 9 space facts that sound fake but aren't. 1. There might be dinosaur fossils sitting on the moon. 66 million years ago, a giant asteroid slammed into Earth. It wiped out the dinosaurs. But the impact was so violent that chunks of rock were blasted into space. And some of those rocks already held fossilized dinosaur bones. A few of them may have drifted all the way to the moon. 2. Every planet in the solar system can fit between Earth and the moon. The gap between Earth and the moon feels small on a map, but it's huge. If you lined up Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune side by side, they would all fit neatly in that gap, with room to spare. Space is far emptier than it looks. 3. If you could hear the sun, it would be deafening. Sound can't travel through the vacuum of space, which is lucky for us, because if it could, the sun would be roaring at around 100 decibels all day, every day. That's like living next to a giant waterfall that never turns off. 4. And that roar would haunt you for 13 years. Light from the sun reaches us in just 8 minutes, but sound is hundreds of thousands of times slower. So if the sun magically vanished, its light would disappear in 8 minutes, but its roar would keep going for another 13 years. 5. The dinosaurs looked up at a completely different night sky. Stars are born, drift, and die over millions of years. Some of the stars we see today didn't even exist back then. The star Rigel in Orion is only about 8 million years old. The dinosaurs never saw the constellation Orion like we do, because main stars like Rigel didn't even exist yet. 6. 2 galaxies can crash together and almost nothing hits. Our Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. It sounds like it should be catastrophic, but galaxies are mostly empty space, so when they finally merge, it's incredibly unlikely that any 2 stars will actually collide. They'll just glide past each other into a brand new galaxy. 7. Hold up your thumb and you're hiding hundreds of thousands of galaxies. Point your thumb at the night sky at arm's length. That tiny patch it covers isn't empty. Behind your thumb sit more than 10 million galaxies, each one holding billions of stars. 8. The universe is wider than light could ever have traveled. The universe is about 14 billion years old. So you'd expect we could see about 14 billion light years in each direction. But we can actually see much farther. The observable universe is about 93 billion light years across. How? Because space itself has been stretching and expanding, carrying those distant objects even farther away as their light traveled to us. And 9. Most of the universe is slowly vanishing from view. The universe isn't just expanding, that expansion is speeding up. And that means distant galaxies are racing away from us faster and faster. One day, they'll cross a boundary and their light will never reach us again. Far in the future, everything beyond our local neighborhood will simply be gone. So enjoy the crowded, glittering sky while it lasts. If space facts like these blow your mind, subscribe for more.